Hi, so I wanted to talk to you about taxes and the sale of your home. Now, we are not tax professionals, so certainly talk to your accountant if you have any questions regarding this. But we get this question a fair amount of times, especially with the amount of appreciation that we've seen in the market. We get this question, say, I bought a home 5, 10 years ago and I'm looking to sell it. I know that it's worth more, and I kind of want an idea of how much am I going to pay in taxes on this. Well, there's some really good news. There is a lot of tax advantages to owning a home. And one of those is that you get a large amount of gain or capital gain that is tax free. Now, how much of that gain is tax free? And we'll go over that here right now. If you're an individual, it can be $250,000 of capital gain that is tax free. If you are married and you're filing jointly, it can be $500,000 of capital gain that is tax free. Now, you do have to live in the home for 2 of the last 5 years in order to qualify, but that is a huge tax savings. Now, basically, that means that if you bought a home for $300,000 and now it is worth $250,000 more, you are not going to have to pay any taxes on that, or $500,000 more that you will not have to pay taxes on if you are married and filing jointly. So, definitely a huge benefit. Around here, most people are selling from the 150 to let's say $700,000 range. That's a really wide range, but that covers the vast majority of homes in our area. And most people are not going to find that they're going to pay any capital gains. But if you do, and you are going to pay capital gains, the vast majority of people, again, are going to fall into the 15% range. So anything over that qualifying number, that 250 or 500,000 if you're filing jointly, is going to fall into the capital gains, and usually that's going to be 15%. Now that may change here shortly, but as of right now, that is 15%. There is a step up to 20%, but again, talk to your tax professional to learn a little bit more about that. But most people, the vast majority of people, if anything is above that 500,000 or 250,000 respectively, they're going to fall into the 15% capital gains bracket. So really a wonderful opportunity to recognize some tax benefits and some gains tax-free. So if you're thinking about selling your home and you're worried about this, more than likely you're not going to pay or be on the hook to pay any taxes on that gain. So I hope this video is helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us. Again, if you have any tax specific questions, reach out to your accountant. If you need somebody to go to, we do have some accountants that we can highly recommend that are wonderful to work with, and we could kind of fit you with the right one depending on what your needs are. So feel free to reach out to us and we'd be happy to help any way we can. Thanks a lot.